Hey, DIYers, your go-to spot for simple plumbing solutions. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix a leaky Delta faucet by replacing the O-rings, rubber seats, springs, and if necessary, the cartridge. Say goodbye to that constant drip. And no, you don't need to hire a plumber. Let's get started. Tools and parts you'll need. Delta repair kit includes rubber seats, springs, O-rings, and maybe the cartridge. Allen wrench/hex key. Flathead screwdriver. Adjustable wrench. Needle nose pliers. Plumber's grease. Step 1. Turn off the water. First things first, shut off the water supply to your faucet. Most faucets have shut-off valves under the sink. Turn them clockwise to stop the water flow. Then, open the faucet to drain any water left in the line and release pressure. Step 2. Disassemble the faucet. Use your Allen wrench to loosen the set screw underneath the handle. Gently remove the handle, followed by the decorative cap and retaining nut using your adjustable wrench. Step 3. Remove old parts. Use a screwdriver to remove the rubber seats and springs inside the faucet body. Pull out any worn O-rings as well. Wipe the inside clean with a cloth or use vinegar to remove any mineral deposits. Step 4. Install new parts. Drop in the new spring first, then the rubber seat on top. Lightly coat new O-rings and cartridge with plumber's grease for a better seal. Insert everything back into the faucet body, carefully and in the same order. Make sure your new cartridge matches the old one, or check the Delta model number if replacing it. Step 5. Reassemble the faucet. Snap on the decorative cap and slide the handle back into place. Tighten the set screw to secure it. Everything should feel snug and smooth. Step 6. Turn water back on and test. Turn the shut-off valves back on slowly. Open the faucet and test both hot and cold sides. Listen carefully, no more dripping? Then boom! You just fixed it like. That's it. You've successfully repaired your Delta faucet. No more leaks, no more wasted water. If this video helped you out, hit that like button, drop a comment below, and make sure to subscribe for more simple DIY plumbing tutorials. Tap the bell icon so you never miss a new fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay handy.